Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is truly very interesting. First of all, I just came back after a long time, so exams to an end, and it's something very remarkable to me. So today I'm actually taking you guys around to my new room, a new room tour. So it's very exciting to truly come up here after such a long time. So I've so many plans, like recording so many videos in my mind, but I just wanted to go on one by one. So the first big thing which I have in my mind is actually to do a room tour, which is very exciting. So it's around like afternoon right now, so I thought of recording this one before my lunch and after my lunch so I can edit that. I don't edit to my computer, but I need to fix that because it's an old dumb computer. But anyway, I'm gonna show you all the outfit of my day, but just want to give you guys a little bit of update. It has been such a long time since I haven't traveled, and can my channel mean with that name? Like travel vlogs? I don't know. I typically don't know if it means or not. But I'm just back here to give you guys a little bit of tour because I thought that doing vlogging at home could be also a thing to do in vlogging case. Like, I don't go outside that much, but I think I should change my name to other. So anyway, if you're watching me new, welcome to my channel, and if you're watching me old, then welcome back to my channel. And so today we're gonna hop into this. Weather's not that cute. We had wind last night, and 2 days before we had rain. Weather's not that good, and yeah, that's all I wanted to update to y'all, and let's hop right into this video. Okay, now let's get into our main work, which is turn the vlogging. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm turning from this beginning of all these is this table. So we got our entire room furnished, and this table is kind of interesting. So it's space-saving furniture. First of all, this one is the door, which is not real adorable. So this one is actually the table. I'm gonna open it. It's kind of heavy kind of thing. So here is actually the table. You can just put a chair right over here, and you can write here, you can eat here, and we have some biscuits and juices, and this one pens. So I'd love to do that. We have some other food items stored over here, and it's kind of like a glass shelf. Works very great. But I still have a decluttering video coming up very soon because I'm going to declutter everything out. So next we are coming to this. This is actually the showcase part. Something which you want to store, like this one is actually a light which lights up. It does not have its battery right now, so it does not has to light up right now. Okay, this one is actually the candles which we brought from one of our trips. That is not in the vlog. So this one is another one. These 4 are candles, and here is the little alarm watch. I think it's an alarm watch, but the alarm doesn't tick anymore, so it got a bit damaged. Below here we have a candle holder for smaller candles. We have this little one. This actually I got in a Christmas gift. This one is a little boat over here, and this one is another piece of that one, and this one is a little cube which my brother gave to me. So my cousin brother gave to me. So that is all, and now comes to the outfit of the day. So okay, the lighting is not doing well today, so we have kind of like rainy weather today. So that's all the done stuff. I do have this little light over here. one's kind of interesting. So you might think it's a double light, but it's just a single one. I'll show you. See, it's actually a single one, and you can actually change it if you want. You can actually change its shape, style, anything the way how you want it. So I wanted to do this one. Like, it's actually cute, and yeah, there's me recording. I actually don't use any camera right now, so I record through my phone. I don't think it's bad quality. So this is actually a mirror where I can dress up myself, and that's what I'm wearing today. I don't want to show that pan because that's pretty old. Okay, next we come up to the gigantic bed. This is not that gigantic, but I still love this. Here we have this. These are the little, what I should say, windows. There are 3 windows in there, and beside the window I actually have all of the bed part. It is also furnished with the same color which that one was. So I'm actually going to show you all the between part, then I'll go to the upper part because there are stuff in the upper part. So yeah, here comes the bed, and this one is great. Just a second. This one is actually the lighting which comes off the bed, so it's attached to this one, and I love this lighting. Like in the dark, it looks so much beautiful. Like this one is the best thing. And now when you see the bed, it looks so amazing. Like this one is my favorite one. I'll put this off. And next to this we have our bedside table. So I actually ordered the night lamp today. It should be here by tomorrow, but this one is a bedside table which matches with the bed. And yeah, we actually have the one air conditioning over here, so it's hidden behind because it's not summer yet to actually put that into. And a little bit over here our Hinduism temple. This is actually a little bit of everything, every god, and we come here and praise it, worship them every day. There's a little flower arrangement which my mom loves to do. I'll show you. I actually have this picture on my Instagram, but it's private. So this one is actually the flower. So I do love photography, but this one is kind of great. This one is kind of great. So I love all these flowers. And okay, so now we have this little bit of everything. Just like this one is a candle. This one is we got with the other candles that I showed you in that showpiece rack. And it has a candle in there. These are all smelling candles, and I love this one. Just put it right in place. There's a little flower which I got from there as well. Little fruit stand. I love this one. This one is pretty old, but like it has lemon, apple, everything. And these are built-in shelves which we have to keep storage. This is the flower storage area, and these are little incense sticks which we light up when you want our home smell amazing. This one is still empty. We will put on some other showpiece in here for decoration. So you can actually lift this and you can clean it. So it's all built in. So now I'm gonna come up to the cabins. So this cabin is great. I'm gonna show what's in there. I'm actually coming up with a declutter video very soon because it's in a mess, but this is what I all have in here. Above we have some clothing stuff over there, and over here I have my school copies in both racks, books, pens and all, which I need to declutter as fast as I can. And above we have clothing. We will keep other clothing as well, but that's only for now. It's a bit louder, isn't it? Okay, so then I'm coming to our little closet area. We don't have that much closet, so my mom is actually a minimalist person. Let's remove this one. Yeah. So we have all of our dresses over here. We have this little pants for my dad. We have his t-shirts lying over here, his shirts. Over here we have my and my mom's regular wears. We have some tuition wear over here. Below here I have my school dress and other homeware stuff. Below here I have my bag. This is not my school bag, this is my tuition bag. You might tell me how to use that beautiful tuition bag, but that's it. Here we have some paper stuff, and here we have some other clothing stuff, like smaller ones. So that fits all in here. Next up, I will take you guys just in a minute. So next up is this. I need to climb over my bed. Is this, which is in kind of problem. So it is actually a bit higher, so it goes with the problematic with the fan. So these are all my prize books in both of these racks, and here we have little diaries which we can plunge into. This one is my projects, extra copies, tuition copies, and some other books which are not required every day. So that's what I have in here, and besides that, we have another one, which is for my dad. So here we have like his files and others. We have a charger, and that one is dirty. I'm not showing that. I didn't do any pre-decluttering for this. So yeah, I'll go down and show you the rest. So now is these upper cabinets which we have built in. These are cute, but these are up very high. So this one is actually right now in a messy way. So that red box which you can see there, we have some extra dishes. Above that is our swimming costumes. Here we have some other winter clothing. Here we have our bags, me and my mom bags. And those are up there, our travel bags. And we have more winter clothing in there. I'm gonna do this right hand. Okay. Next we have this one. Just a second. We have the above one, but it's completely empty. We don't have anything in the middle cabinet. So that's what I wanted to show. Cool. Next we have this third cabinet. Third cabinet is kind of interesting because it stores a lot more. So I cannot open that one. I cannot open it. So here we have these. More of my and my mom's bags. Upper there is bags, and here are travel bags. So yeah, that's what we have in here. And these are not organized, well, slowly. So yes, that's what we all have in all these cabinets. And mirror. Okay, so here's a little bit of tour. So that's what we all came up with today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My hand is right now painting, and I have butterflies in my stomach. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because that is meaning a lot to my channel. And thanks for watching my videos, and probably the next video will be something exciting, maybe a day in my life or a decluttering video, I don't know, but it's a little room in our homestead. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.